Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping videos from auto-playing in mute on the YouTube app homepage. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You may have noticed that on the homepage of YouTube, videos automatically start playing in mute when they are on the screen. If you have limited mobile data, then this feature can be very frustrating, as it uses up data even if you aren't watching the videos that are auto-playing. To switch it off, you need to first tap on your user icon from the top right corner of the homepage of the YouTube app. Then tap on Settings from the bottom of the page. Scroll down and tap on Muted Playback in Feeds. Here you have the option Wi-Fi only. This means that videos will only autoplay on the homepage when you are connected to Wi-Fi, and won't autoplay when you are using mobile data and therefore won't use up all of your data. You also have the option to switch the feature off altogether. Just tap off and videos will no longer autoplay on mute on the YouTube homepage. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.